Hello!
Good morning from Berlin.
Welcome back to another video also.
So we are currently in Berlin right now because we are going to see Tash Sultana tonight. That's the reason why we are in Berlin.
Yes.
But
however, we actually
unfortunately
we were super adult and cleaned up the whole apartment, but we still forgot the tickets
at our baby apartment.
So
we are in
don't have
Berlin
any
right now
tickets.
and don't have any concert tickets. And we called every person who could maybe help us, but they said it is looking really bad for us right now. But
we might, if we don't get in with our tickets, we have them on like our phones and everything, but we don't have them with us physically. If we don't get in with our tickets, we might have to buy new ones, which would
be super expensive.
Just hurt.
Yeah.
But we'll see as the day goes on. We're just gonna grab a coffee now
and enjoy Berlin,
and then
get some work done, but just be here in the moment, be thankful and have fun.
Yay!
Conversations that don't last when you see me like a looking glass. It's hardly in the way we talk, it's in the way we lose. Disappointment till the end. Still feels better off in your hands. It's hardly in the way we walk, it's in the way we move. You take me out of the noise, you bring me back to your house. You shake the bones in my knees, you are the words in my mouth. We're on that living room floor. We're on that living room floor. We don't care at all. Unconditional. Cause we might never know. It feels so cold. Chasing after.
Okay guys, we are off to the Tash Sultana concert. Fingers
crossed,
that
wish
we
us
get the
luck.
tickets. See you there.
Passing time, it's in the passing through. What if back when we were young, we were raised by the same love? It's hardly in the way we want, it's in the way we choose.
Ab 16:30 Uhr, wenn der Einlass beginnt, macht auch die Kasse auf.
Ja.
Dann bitte zum großen weißen Zelt ab 16:30 Uhr. Und die haben Zugriff auf alle Tickets, die verkauft wurden, und mit denen könnt ihr regeln, wie ihr es löst.
Ich habe alles von den, ich habe Fotos von den Tickets, ich habe
Wenn die Tickets gut, wenn die Barcode scannbar sind, dann funktioniert das.
kommen wir einfach so rein. Dann.
Also ich probiert erstmal den Weg einfach zu den Scannern zu gehen.
Can you
weil
call?
wenn die- Macht den Bildschirm einfach heller und größer.
Dann wir können nochmal zum Zelt zurückgehen. Sie haben gesagt, wenn es nicht klappt, sollen wir nochmal zurückkommen. Alles klar.
Okay.
Alles dabei, wir haben es gerade mit den Fotos probiert. Es ging, hat vorne nicht geklappt leider.
Ja, wir hatten sogar extra nur vom Barcode.
Habt ihr...
Aber dann gebe ich euch noch für die Unterraum und Innenraum. Nee, wir haben Hello! Good morning!
Good morning, people.
We're gonna go have a lake day today.
Because it's gonna get so hot.
It already
today.
is hot, and we're gonna enjoy. We are not gonna take the camera though, because it's gonna probably be stolen. So we're gonna just film on the phone. But
Switch
that's
on
okay.
the phone.
We're gonna take you with us, and we're super excited. We brought so much food. It's gonna be epic. We're prepped.
Let's go.
Let's go!
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
Hello guys, so we came back from swimming. It's actually super late already. It's like 9:30 and it's already getting darker and it's super stormy out. It's like kind of a crazy mood, I don't know. But I actually continued with Where the Crawdads Sing. And first I just want to talk about the floppiness of this book because I am in love. Like, look how this lays in your hand without, it's so floppy. Look at this. It's just perfect. I love it. And also the cover, it's so cute. And I'm on page, I think, 140-ish. I guess I'm like almost halfway through. And it's really good so far. The writing is really incredible. July Owens writes really, really beautifully. It's like very lyrical, but not too much where you don't really understand what's happening. It's just very much, it works with like a lot of personifications and like that kind of stuff, which is really nice. Like it's a really well written thing. It's definitely more literary fiction, which is not really my genre. I'm just very much of a fantasy girl. I just adore fantasy. So I am like enjoying it, but I'm not really invested in the plot because it's just very personal, like personal growth, dealing with loneliness, all that kind of thing. But I do really enjoy it. I really, really enjoy it. I enjoyed the first little like a romance that was happening that was really beautiful, but it's also super sad. Like the premise of this is that everybody leaves her. It's like everybody but the swamp, everybody but nature, everybody but Aina, which is really nice, but it's just like it's super sad. So I really am having a lot of fun with it, but I'm also, you know, a little bit like okay, crazy. But it is a very enjoyable book, and I would definitely recommend if you are a fan of literary fiction. And I'm curious to see how it goes on because I think there's like a little mystery going on too, which hasn't really occurred yet. So that is fun. We are gonna go take a shower, get ready, and then we might, depending on the weather, because it kind of looks like it's raining, we wanted to go on like a little church rave kind of moment Sophia was talking about. That would have been fun, but it looks like raining, so I don't know what's happening. First I need to shower the lake off. Also, Sophia borrowed me this dress and I'm in love. I never want to take it off again. It's like the cutest thing ever. Good morning! We just woke up and we're gonna go grab coffee now and I think something else, and Sophia's just showing me her boobs. And we're gonna go now. And I wanted to show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this cut-out shirt, which is literally so cool, and then the pants I got in Morocco. Look how flattering! I'm in love. Super excited. I'm not gonna have coffee, but the two coffee addicts need some, so let's go.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you'll go and leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry?